Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT package. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape, super clean throughout, very nice condition, really great shape. Look at that. Upper lamp looks amazing, lower lights in beautiful condition, grill's in amazing shape, very nice. Upper lamp on the driver's side in beautiful shape, lower light in beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout, really nice condition all the way through, looks amazing. Very nice. Take a look at the front fender. On the driver's side, amazing condition. Front door on the driver's side in amazing condition, looks super clean throughout. Rear door on the driver's side, really in amazing shape, super clean throughout. Take a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side, really beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Take a look at the rear door. Rear door is in amazing shape. Take a look at those rear lights. They're beautiful, very nice condition all the way through. Glass is in beautiful shape, looks super clean. Really nice condition. Take a look at the lower bumper. Rear parking sensors, very nice. Really amazing shape, LT package. Does have a couple of little blemishes here that were touched up. A couple little scratches were there that were touched up already. Quarter panel here. On the rear passenger side, beautiful condition. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. All right, let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield on this side is in amazing shape, super clean, very nice. Take a look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful condition. Super clean, really nice shape. Okay, windshield on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, no marks on it, looks extra nice. All right, that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a quick test drive. We'll be right back. All right, we're taking a look at the front driver door panel, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the controls for the power windows, power locks. Very nice condition. Storage on the door, very nice. Take a look at the driver's seats in beautiful condition. It is manual, but it's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Rugs are clean. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Okay, now we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, really amazing shape. Front seat on the passenger side looks beautiful, clean throughout, amazing condition. Rugs are clean, dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Beautiful shape all the way through. Really nice condition. We're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Really outstanding shape. Look at the armrest, looks amazing. Rear seats are in beautiful shape. Let's take a look here. Really nice condition all the way through. Rugs are clean. It's got a couple AC vents here in the back, USBs for the rear passengers. Super nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel in the rear. Beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Take a look at the rear seat, really nice shape. Looks super clean, amazing condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT package. Take a look at the key fob real quick here. Lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. Beautiful key, original GM. I'm going to set it down right here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start this one up. This one has a push button start right here. So we're going to press the brake and push the button. Look at that, started up amazing. Beautiful display, look at that. Really nice. Really nice display, look at that. That's really nice. All right, so this one has 12,185 miles. It's got a really nice display. Look at that. Shows you the radio station on the side there. There's a couple settings here you can go through. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Check it out. Shows you the Google Maps there. So by pressing this button, you can change the different things. So if you have your Google Maps on right now, it can show you here on this screen, but it could also show you here while you're driving, which is super nice. Still shows you the miles per hour, the fuel until empty, seat belts, what gear you're in, and the mileage. Press it again. Check this one out. This is for the collision alert in the front, which you can adjust the settings here. Look at the gap settings, see that? So we'll leave it further away better. That's so nice. It's another display there. This one's nice and a lot cleaner. Shows you just the mileage. And it goes back to the original. This is super nice. It has the RPMs there. When you accelerate it, you can see the RPMs go out, up and down. And then it also shows you the miles per hour of the street that you're in, temperature, all that good stuff. Really nice. Okay, so let's take a look at here. We have the cruise control. This is where the collision alert is adjusted here on the right hand side here. This is to control the screen that we just did. Heated steering wheel for the Bluetooth, your radio. Super nice. Then on the back here, you have the controls for the radio right here. And then this is a paddle shifter here on top here. So you could drive it manually and paddle shift. Also same thing on this side, you have the control of the radio here and your paddle shifter here on top. Super nice. All right, let's take a look. Those are the controls for the emergency brake, the bypass for the engine shutoff, your dimmer, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Beautiful AC vents here. They're so nice. Look at that. Beautiful condition all the way through. Looks amazing. Dashboard looks brand new. Really nice. Really outstanding shape. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Look at the steering wheel on this one. Beautiful shape all the way through. Looks amazing. Very nice. It's an LT package, but it has a lot of equipment. All right, USB plugs right there. Check that out. Cup holders, a little storage bin there. You have a large space in here with a little tray. Keep your stuff in there. That's nice. Okay, controls for the AC. Let's take a close look here. So we have heated seats to go along with your heated steering wheel for the front passenger and driver. AC controls, they are manual, but super nice. This is for the temperature on this side. This is for the fan. All right, let's take a quick look at the information center on this one. So right now we're on the home page. There's 2 pages here for home, as you can see there. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the settings. Go to vehicle, and I'm gonna show you this one has the team driver, the rear seat reminder, the buckle to drive. I'm gonna go down here and find the collision detection. That way I can tell you all the safety features it has. So it has an alert which it could beep or it can vibrate the seat. Right now the vibrate the seat is on right now. And then forward collision avoidance, front pedestrian braking, intersection collision braking, adaptive cruise, bicyclist alert. That's super cool. If you're sitting in the car and somebody rides with a bicycle next to you, it'll go ahead and alert you, let you know somebody's there. Lane change alert, parking assist braking, rear cross traffic braking. A lot of features. Super nice. And then of course it has different settings here. You can go through the privacy, the sound, all that good stuff there. Super nice. All right, so let's go back to home again. It has your Google Assist. It's got your vehicle status, your Apple CarPlay is on the next page, I'm guessing. Here we go. Well, there you got Amazon. You have your Apple Music, your news, your controls, your phone, audio. This one has Google Maps already installed, so it's like navigation. You can set that up. You can speak to it, tell you where you want to go, and it'll give you the route. So nice. Let's go back to home again. Let's go to audio real quick here. See if we can see the settings on this. Well, it looks like it's on news right now, so we don't want to go there. Go back to radio again. Here we go. Sound manager, there it is. You have all the controls for the equalizer, for the fade. Okay, then you have your AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth, your USB, your news, your Alexa. That's nice. So we'll go ahead and leave it on FM for now. That's the radio station right there. It's got a little dial here so you don't have to dirty the screen. You can bring up the volume from here if you'd like. And also it has a controller on the steering wheel. So right now we're looking at the FM radio. It's got all your memories down there. And then you can click on it here to change the source. See that right there? We just changed the source on it. All right, so we just went through the Google Maps. This is for your phone. So if you had phone paired, you would go through there to check out the settings. Here on top, it has the traction control, the automatic high beams, the parking assist. So you can control all that stuff there. That's super nice. Go back to home again. Amazing. All right, that's pretty much it there on the information center and the radio. Up above here, we're looking at the passenger side airbag light. So there's nobody sitting there, so the airbag's off. The OnStar buttons. Your courtesy lights here on top. Super nice. Take a look at your visors with lights. Super nice. Let's take a look at the liner real quick. Liner's in beautiful condition. Super clean. Looks amazing. Let's check on this side. Looks beautiful. Clean throughout. Really amazing shape. All right, that's pretty much the interior on this one. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive, and we'll be right back. Stay tuned. All right, we're all set, taking it for a little test drive here. Here we go. Takes off super nice, super quick. Really nice drive. Look at that. Drives amazing. All right, we're coming up on a stop sign here. I'm gonna go ahead and test the brakes out. There you go. Stop super nice. All right. Super great drive. Look at this. Really amazing. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera and the sensors. We'll go ahead and take a look at that right now. Here we go. We're just going to find a little spot here, preferably with something in the back. That way the sensors will go off. So this shifter right here, you shift it up like that to put in reverse, down like this for drive, and then for neutral you put it in the middle there. There you go. And then park is right here on the side. So let's go ahead and put in reverse. Look at that. Beautiful display. We're gonna go ahead and turn the steering wheel here. We're backing up. Now this one has rear parking sensors. Super nice feature. And instead of it beeping right now, we have this setting for it to vibrate the seat. So right there, we got close to those bushes. And then this shows up on the cluster here. See that? It shows what you're getting close to. And then right now at this time, the seat is vibrating. So you can change the setting for it to beep, or you can keep it on vibrate for the seat. That is super nice. Okay, you're all set. So you put it back in drive. Screen goes back to normal as soon as you drive off. And that concludes our test drive. Super nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo area is clean and in great condition. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Rug looks good. Beneath that has a little bit of storage there. Very nice. Beneath that you have your spare tire with all the tools. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Very nice condition. Look at that, really amazing condition. Super clean throughout, very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire looks amazing. Good amount of tire tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Beautiful condition. We're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side. Tire tread is brand new. Looks amazing. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Let's take a closer look. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. Really amazing shape. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side, amazing condition. Looks super clean. Very nice condition. Good amount of tread on there. Take a look at the rim. Amazing condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Take a look at the tire here on the passenger side front. Tire looks amazing. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Take a close look there. Not a mark on it. Looks amazing. Beautiful shape. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video on this 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT package. In beautiful condition. It's got Google Maps, all the accessories, really nice. Beautiful condition. Backup sensors, backup camera. Loaded up. Nice LT. Really beautiful condition. You guys have any questions on this one, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.